Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm coming to you cutting this quick video today. I entitled this video, How to Follow People on Facebook to Get More Friend Requests. How to follow people on Facebook to get more friend requests. Now, before I do get into the content today, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you know the drill. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also, too, at the very right, there is a little bell on the very right there. Be sure to click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. Also, just to remind you what this channel is about. This is about entrepreneurship. So if you're into affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales, and you want to find tools, tricks, tips to help you grow your business, then you come to the right channel. Also, you'll find inspiration, success motivation to help you really grow your business and help you to get your mindset right at the same time. So, I entitled again this video, How to Follow People on Facebook to Get More Friend Requests. Now, this is a strategy that I've learned, and it's a free strategy. You know, I love the paid stuff, as you probably know already if you've been on my channel for a little bit, on generating traffic, paying for traffic and generating leads that way. But this is paid. I mean, this is unpaid. This is free stuff. So if you have a Facebook account, this is really a really great way for you to connect with people so that you can start conversations, and you never know if you build value for the conversation, and if there is a need, there may be an opportunity for someone to join you in your business. And here's the thing, and I want you to remember this, that most times we think about our opportunities, whether you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing, or if you're selling a product or a service or opportunity. We think that everybody wants our products, and that may not be the case unless we, do some fact finding, have a conversation with them. Here's the thing: if you really want to make money in your business, you got to get good at connecting with people. Whether you do it, in person, or whether you do it on Facebook, you got to get good at connecting with other people. So if you're shy, or if you're timid, if you don't know about messaging people or connecting with other people on Facebook, then you got to get over that. You got to get over that. And you got to connect with other people, because if you want to make money, that money comes from other people. I went a little bit longer in that explanation, but this is what I want to do. Because if you go to your friends list, I want to show you my friends list here. I have about over probably about 300 folks I have waiting to connect with me as friends. So as you can see, I have 303 friend requests. Now that's a lot of friend requests. But how do you get that many friend requests, and how do you do it in the most least amount of time? Well, you do it by following other people. Now, if you're in, of course, network marketing, internet marketing, or you're looking to build your business, there's a simple way, a simple technique that I have for following people. So I want to show you that right now. So you see here, I got 303 friend requests, and I'm going to show you how I was able to do that. So what I would do, and again, if you're in this industry, network marketing, internet marketing, home business, entrepreneurship, this is what I would do. I would go to a popular fan page. So since I work, with home business owners and network marketing, internet marketing, I would go to a fan page and it'll probably pull up right here because I go there often. Network Marketing Pro, okay? And this is a famous website that most network marketers go to for support, for tips, for trainings, just things to help them build their business. So if I want to connect with other business owners, this is what I would do. So I would go down and I would find probably the latest post that I can probably find, or basically any post. But let's see here. I'm going to scroll down here. Blah, 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 blah. There you go. So let's see here. Bear with me, guys, as I scroll down here really quickly. Nope, I don't want to be there. I'm going to go back to Network Marketing Pro. So let's see, we'll go on this first one right here. I'm going to stop this here. So what I'm going to do now is, now that I'm on this post, you can always go down and you can see the number of people that either liked, that hearted, or that didn't like it on here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click here, and what it does is it shows you all of those people that liked it. Now what I would do is I will go down and hover over each person to find if there is an option to follow them. So here's the first one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to click follow. So here's the thing, what happens when you click that option to follow someone, they're going to get a notification that you actually follow them. So that person would then oftentimes come to your page, look at your page, see what you're about, if there's a common interest, or they like what they see, or like what they see on your page, then oftentimes, not all the time, but oftentimes, they'll send you a friend request. And what I'll do is I'll probably go through and find about 25 people on here that have the option to follow on their profile, and just follow them. That's probably like 25 people a day is a good thing. And here's another person here. And actually, you know what? I know they're a network marketer because they're on this page. So they like what they see. So I'm going to click follow. They're going to get a notification of me following them. And then guess what? Oftentimes, they'll send me out. But if you go through the numbers of going through and just looking at different pages. So it could be this page, Network Marketing Industry, Network Marketing Pro, or if you go to another one that I like going to, Todd Falcone, and you go there and you look up people and you connect, look at different posts on there and find different people that are liking it and really connect with them, then you will have, more friend requests that you can that you have to deal with. I mean, more people that you can connect with. Now, here's the thing too. I want to remind you that, I wouldn't say. People say, well, why not just friend the folks? Well, here's the thing. You don't want to just friend folks all day long. If you do it too much, Facebook actually frowns upon that, and it could wind up in your account getting a slap on the hand or something that Facebook doesn't like. But as far as following people, I know generally right now I'm following people. I follow up to 25 people a day. So 25, you may be able to do more. I don't think I've done more than 25 a day. But the follow button, I haven't seen anything happen with that with Facebook. So I'm not sure. I don't believe Facebook frowns on that. So follow people, as many people as you want to, so that by following the people, then you have a great proportion of getting as many friend requests. So here's the thing too. Once you do this, go to different pages that are in your industry. and you follow them and you start getting requests, I want to take it a little bit further and show you along the lines of what you should say. Because once someone sends you a friend request, um, you wanna connect with them. You want to respond to them. So this is what I personally do to connect with those that send me friend requests that I know that I followed them. So if we go to this first one here, I got a first one here. Let's see here, Alicia. Alicia. So I'm going to go to Alicia's profile, and I'm going to look at Alicia's profile, and I see here that she's an internet marketer. So we basically do the same thing. We work in the same industry. So I'm going to see that she's posted something in the last 6 hours here. So I'm like, okay, great, cool. So she's someone that I definitely want to connect with. And I would tell you that if I come to a person's page and I get a friend request and I see that they haven't posted in like many months or maybe a year, then I probably wouldn't accept the friend request. But in this case, she seems nice, seems nice looking, seems energetic, like she's happy. So I want to accept her friend request. So I click hit respond, confirm request, confirm. So once I do that, I'm immediately go to where it says message, and I send her a quick message, and it's basically going to say, hi, Alicia, thank you for the friend request. How are you today? And that is it. And then I just wait for them to respond. And once they respond, you start engaging in conversation. And again, you don't want to try to sell the person anything. You just want to create a connection. So, if you see that there's a need for your product or your service or your opportunity, then, of course, you can take advantage of that. But if there is no need, if you don't see an opportunity, if they're not interested in your product or service, then just look at it as a connection, someone that you're connected with, someone that maybe you can learn from, because you never know, down the road things may change. But don't just try to pounce on someone once they send you a friend request and they reach out to or they respond to you. Just have a conversation. Just have a conversation. You ever been to a doctor and a doctor asks you all these questions? They're trying to find out what the problem is so that they can present to you a solution. So be that way with this person and just be focused on building a relationship and not trying to sell them anything. And again, if the opportunity arises, okay, present your service, your opportunity to them or your product. But if it doesn't, then just use it as a way of connecting with. Because again, it still rings true. People buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. So if you're going to come off as pitchy, if you're going to come off immediately say, hey, I got to do business and join my business right away, then I suggest that you don't. You don't. So a quick free strategy that you can do if you're looking to build your business, on Facebook, and if you're looking to, just create a better network of people that you can potentially market to in the future. But again, do it tactfully and do it in a way that's, you're not trying to pitch anybody right away. You want to create relationships. Guys, that's it, guys. So if you got some value from this video, let me know. I want to make sure that I'm delivering content. When I learn things in my own business, I want to share them with you guys to help you build your own business. That's the way it works. Once you learn something, if you can help somebody else, if you can help the industry, that's how you grow and that's how you get better and that's how you create more success. Guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Also, if you did get any kind of value from this video, let me know by liking this video. Also, share this video with someone that you know may be looking for a way for free to build their audience, their friends on Facebook, and find potentially people that they can connect with that can potentially, become a part of the business, or they can offer their products to. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Peace.